Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can download and install MECCHA Chameleon on your PC or laptop. So first head over to the Steam website, then just click on the sign in option you will see on the top. If you already have an Steam account, just sign in your account. And if you don't have, just create an account. After you create the Steam account, just click on the install Steam option you will see on the top. Then just click on the install Steam and download the setup of Steam and install it on your PC. After that, open up the Steam, sign in your account, click on the top search box and just type MECCHA Chameleon. You will find this game on the top. So just open it up. Once this page is open, just scroll down, then click on the add to cart option you will see. Now click on the option of view my cart. Now simply click on this option of continue to payment and go ahead pay the amount. After you pay for this game, just go to your library of Steam, just find this game and simply hit install. That's how you can download and install this game. If you find this guide useful, consider liking this video and subscribing to the channel. And thanks for watching.